Hey, what's up guys? Soldier Knows Best here with an unboxing of the new Snapchat Spectacles, and these are version 2 since Snapchat released version 1 last year to a mixed reaction, but now they're back with a second run at these, and I'm really interested in them because I still use Snapchat. I know a lot of people don't, but I still like to use Snapchat, so I'm really excited to give these a spin. Now luckily this time you can just go to Snapchat's website and buy these instead of having to find some weird vending machine in some random location across the country and wait in line for hours just to get a chance to buy them, which I think personally hurt sales. And they're going to be coming in 3 different colors: ruby red, sapphire blue, and the ones that I picked up are onyx black. And now you have different options with the lenses, so you can choose a mirrored lens or you can go with just the regular sunglass lens, which is not going to be as reflective. And then also too, you can choose between prescription lenses if you wanted to now, and you can do all that just right on the website. But anyway, let's get back to the unboxing. And on the back of the package they do talk about a couple of the new features. One of those is going to be the ability to actually just take a photo instead of just only be able to take videos. And then also too, it's going to be water resistant. You don't want to go scuba diving with them, but you can get into a lake or get into a pool and it should be just fine. And so as we open up the tube, we get our first look at this new case, and you can see that there is a significant size difference between the case of these version 2s versus the version 1, which I always felt that the version 1 case was just a little bit bigger than necessary. So that made it hard to carry around, or if you're going to be taking it on a trip with you, it just took up more space than needed. And because the case is the only way you can charge the spectacles, the slimmer and lighter the case is, the better. Now opening up the case, we presented with the spectacles, and we're going to set those to the side for a second. And then also you get the documentation that will tell you how to use the glasses. We don't need those because we're geeks, right? But also to the side of the case you find the magnetic charging cable, and Snapchat did move the magnetic charging module on the case over to the right hand side, so now it'll be a lot easier to get to, and it shouldn't fall out as frequently as it did with version 1s because it was on the back. And you have this cable, so it's a breakaway cable, so if you do trip over it, you're not going to send the case flying across the room. But now let's take a look at the spectacles themselves, and you can see that they still have that very unique Snapchat design to them. Circular lenses, and also too like these little cat ears that make these glasses really do stand out. And so people will know that you're wearing Snapchat spectacles, because I don't think this is a frame or design that a lot of people choose for their sunglasses. But it is going to have a slimmer and lighter design compared to version 1s, and you can see in this side by side with last year's spectacles, the actual component housings on the side of the glasses are a lot smaller, so this is going to allow for just a better fit on your face, and it's going to be lighter on your face, and this is great if you're going to be wearing the glasses for an extended period of time. And another little touch that makes these glasses look a little bit better is that they fade out the color as they go down the frame of the glasses, which I think looks good in my opinion. But the major cosmetic change that they made was to get rid of the yellow rings that were on the front of the glasses of the first ones, and that really made them really stand out more than they needed to, and also too just made it look corny in my opinion. But now they got rid of those, so it looks a little bit more plain, I guess. But when you are recording, they still have that notification light that circles around, so if somebody's looking at you, they can tell whether or not you're using the glasses for recording or for taking a picture. And then lastly, the pairing process is a lot easier, because now the pairing process is going to be all Bluetooth. You don't have to stare at it and look at a QR code and try to hold the phone a certain distance away. All that has gone out the window. Now the setup process just takes a few seconds, and now you're ready to go. And then as you go through the setup process, it'll give you a little bit more details about some of the new features and things about these glasses. And what I'm showing you right now, just some of the footage that I was able to take over this past year with the first generation spectacles. And I never made a YouTube video about them, so I'm just trying to show you some of the footage I was able to take, doing some cool things that are totally hands-free and where the spectacles really shine. But these version 2s are supposed to have better video quality, faster syncing, so you'll be able to move the videos from the glasses over to your phone a lot faster, I think up to 4 times as fast. And it also has 2 microphones that will help with conversation sound a little bit more natural instead of your voice being super loud compared to the person you're talking to, and also help cut out things like wind noise. And so yes, Snapchat isn't dead, and they're giving these things another run, and I'll be testing out a little bit more, and I'll have more coverage on these new Snapchat spectacles in the future. So make sure you do follow me on Snapchat. My handle is Soldier Know Best, and here's the Snapchat code there, and so you'll be able to see me testing out these spectacles and also doing other things on Snapchat. And be sure to subscribe to me here on YouTube and follow me on all my other social media platforms, and those links will be down below. And like always, leave your comment down below, let me know what you think about the spectacles version 2, and I will catch you later. Peace.